Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on Jamaica becoming a republic. Now, this government has two major projects on the way. One is for Portmore to become the 15th parish of Jamaica, and the second one is for Jamaica to become a republic and no longer under the, the monarch, basically. So, we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on with the move to become a republic. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, is assuring citizens that the government is committed to pursuing Jamaica's transition to a republic in keeping with the wishes of the people. He noted that members of the Constitutional Reform Committee have done a lot of work to garner the views of citizens across the island, and opinion polls have repeatedly shown that most Jamaicans want a republic form of government. The Prime Minister said he has advised the Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs, Honorable Marlene Malahoo Fort, and members of the CRC to work for consensus with the opposition so that there can be a successful conclusion of the process. We have undertaken a major national effort to reform our constitution and to move towards a republic. The status now is that we do not have consensus with the opposition, but I do not see that as a failure or an end to the process. I see it as part of the process, the Prime Minister said. I want to reassure the people of Jamaica, especially those persons who would want to see Jamaica become a republic in their lifetime, that all is not lost, that the government is still going to pursue it to its logical conclusion, he emphasized. The Prime Minister was speaking at a ribbon cutting for a housing unit under the new social housing program. His comments followed the decision of the opposition representatives and the CRC to not sign off on the committee's report until concerns raised about the reform process are resolved. The Prime Minister said avenues of communication must be opened with the opposition, as agreement is critical in securing the two-thirds majority votes needed in both houses of Parliament for the reform of the Constitution. In addition, he noted that for the referendum for Jamaica to become a republic to be successful, both parties would have to go to the people as one. In the coming weeks, the Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs will launch a public education campaign to inform the public about the committee's recommendations. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And also, let us know what you think about the republic status for Jamaica. Are you for it or against it or neither? Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. The video actually started with us driving on Mandela Highway through Central Village, and now we are on this road, Windward Road, heading towards Sir Florizel Glasspool Highway. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.